Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pull comps and get the ARV, the after repair value, ballpark wise, for properties, so you can talk to sellers confidently and figure out where you need to be at ballpark range wise, in regards to giving them an offer. Okay, let's go.
Redfin, ladies and gentlemen. They're freaking free. You don't need MLS access or anything like that. This is who I use when I need to comp a property or just get an idea of a property's value super fast, and it's free. It's free, ladies and gentlemen. So for instance, right here, we're looking at this property. We're on the phone with them. Boom, they already give you the estimate, and that estimate is way more accurate than the Zestimate that Zillow would give you. We've tested this and compared it against Zillow, Trulia, Har, Realtor.com, all those, and by far, hands down, this is the most accurate out there. Okay, so you could go off of this. That's usually a little higher than usual. What I like to do is scroll down. Remember, well, I'm in Texas, so we can't get the exact data of what has sold, but we can get an idea of the listed price and everything. And how long it's sat on the market, all that stuff. So just remember 3.2, 1,600 square feet. But it already pulls accurate comps for you that'll be in that realm. 3.215, 3.219. That's a little high, so I wouldn't use that one. But basically, this sold in 2023 in June for 214, 265. But like I said, it's a little bigger. 266, same. 3.216, 3.215. This is an as-is property though. But it'll give you an idea of what they're selling for as well in that specific condition. So you can click and open that and kind of get an idea of that condition. But 250, 250. So that's the trend. 250, 250, 266, 265. Not gonna use that one. 214. So in my head, off the rip, I would say the value's probably, and this is conservative, I would say 240, 245-ish. Okay, even though it's probably a little more than that. And you see how that's it's right below this one right here, 256, like the estimate they gave us. But that's just a great starting point in your head when you're on the phone with the seller. So boom, let's just say 240. Okay, we're at 240. Okay, Mr. Seller. And you always want to say, how did you come up with that number? Are similar properties selling for about that much in the area? That's if they want that much. But 240 would be our ARV that we just came up with from looking at those comps down there. We'll times it by 70% just to get us a starting point. I don't use 70% verbatim. So at 168, let's just say property needs 20,000 rehab. Okay, so 168 minus 20,000, we're at 148. Let's say we want to make 10,000. 148 minus 10,000, we're at 138. Okay, so that should be our offer, right? No, that should be our max offer. That's the max that you're going to pay. So you want to anchor low when you're talking to the seller. So if I'm at 138, I would tell them, hey, Mr. Seller, we've purchased similar properties in the area, very similar to yours, same condition and everything, for around 115, 120. Would something like that work for you possibly? Would you even entertain an offer like that? And then shut up, be quiet, and see what they say. But that's anchoring, and that's giving you a little buffer and room to work with, because they could say, no, that's a little low. I would feel a lot more comfortable around 130. Boom, 130. That's still below 138. So then you'll make 18,000 possibly, But it's just a great starting point, so you can know where you have to potentially land, and you're going to be in the area. Of course, you want to confirm the value and everything on the MLS. You have to focus on getting MLS access as soon as possible. Okay, but this is just a bigger look into it, a broader spectrum on how to get the value for property quickly and free when you're on the phone talking with sellers, or before your appointments. You could check out Redfin and everything. But recap, redfin.com. Type in the address, get the address. You can look at the estimate, but definitely go down and look at these, get an idea of the property's value, times it by 70%, minus repairs and minus what you want to potentially make, and then anchor $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 below that amount. That'll be your offer. Okay, and remember, when you're making an offer, you don't want to do specific offers like, oh, I can pay this amount specifically. You want to do a range. I can pay around 110,000 to 120,000. would something like that possibly work for you? And go from there. You don't want to nail yourself down to a specific number. But yeah, I told you that was gonna be a quick way to freely and fastly get the ARV, get the value, so you can make an offer quickly on the phone, because it's all about speed, and it's a numbers game. So as many conversations you can have, as many offers that you can make, the better you will be, the more money you will make. Okay, let me know if you have any questions or any concerns or anything. If you're wondering what I'm saying and why I'm saying it, or why I didn't say something specific, let me know in the comments below. I personally respond to everybody in a timely manner. Till then, don't forget to like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. Talk to you later. Peace.